The winter session of the Tamil Nadu Assembly begins today, and the session for the first time will not have the presence of Jayalalitha, who has been disqualified as legislator in the wake of a conviction in the 66 crore rupees disproportionate assets case. Now, as the opposition gears up to raise a host of issues, it is an acid test for Tamil Nadu Chief Minister O. Pannirselvam.
2 months when the political dynamics changed drastically, when the AIA-DMK Supremo was convicted in the disproportionate assets case. The man who took charge as the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, O. Pannirselvam, now faces his biggest test yet. As the Assembly session begins, a united opposition is all set to corner the AIA-DMK government.
We have a number of issues with regard to the construction of a dam across Kaveri, Mullaperiyar, the Kerala government's adamance with regard to Mullaperiyar, raising a water level in Mullaperiyar Dam. We have relief measures to the farmers, the delta farmers and other farmers of the state who are suffering because of huge rains in the state. These are the issues which we want to raise in the Assembly.
Adding fuel to the fire was the government's decision to convene the Assembly for just 3 days, leaving the opposition fuming.
If the government hides behind rules of the rules of procedure and wants to cut short the session by 2 or 3 days, then that shows that this government is boneless, spineless.
DMK and others intend to attack the government on a host of issues, from the Mullaperiyar Dam dispute to the latest fishermen issue.
The opposition parties are united and will be raising host of issues ranging from Mullaperiyar Dam dispute to the latest Arvind Milk scam. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister O. Pannirselvam and his cabinet colleagues will have a tough time in dealing with the opposition on the floor of the House without the presence of Jayalalitha.
An Assembly session without Jayalalitha and a unified opposition. Is the stage set for a massive showdown between the ruling AIA-DMK and the opposition parties? Bureau Report, Times Now.